Hey, it's Kat, and today we are going to review this hat washer cage that we were given to review and try by this seller. So my husband here is kind of showing you what it looks like once it's assembled. Now, this actually will come with the main part attached, but the two dome parts will come in separate pieces that you have to attach. You just need to find the beginning letter or the beginning number on the coordinating one, start there, and then work your way around in order, and they bent and snapped in pretty easy. You can see this gray hat he has here. That is his favorite golf hat that he wears all the time, and it was nasty and it was stinky. This also comes with a mesh bag that you then put over the cage and the hat once you have them assembled. So you have this here, and see where it is open and it kind of got that hinge. That hinge stays there. It comes pre-assembled. So you're just going to put your hat in there. You're going to put the top back on it. You're going to put this mesh bag over it, zip it up, and you can either put this in the washing machine or you can put it in your dishwasher. We actually chose to do the top rack of our dishwasher, and it fit just fine. And we just put some soap in our dishwasher and ran it like normal. And then my husband is going to tell you about the results. So hold on.
So in the first part, we showed you going in and putting the hat in, putting it in the dishwasher, putting it in the bag, all that good stuff. So the hat was pretty dirty beforehand, with just by running it through the dishwasher with adding some soap in there, much cleaner. And not only is it much cleaner, I've actually wore this hat 4 times since I washed it. So if you're somebody who falls in love with a hat, likes a hat, wants to keep a hat clean, pretty good process right here to do it with. And as you can tell, it did keep its shape. So awesome. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it.